सो हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज पंकज और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं दैट हाउ यू कैन मेक योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल मच 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 बेटर देन दैट यू हैव राइट नाउ. So being in college or a college student, it become very important for us to make a better profile so that you get better reach on LinkedIn and get connected to the community which fits for you better. Look, if you have a proper LinkedIn account, you will get better connections, you will get better advices from the people from your connections. If you ask any question, they will definitely reply you, and having an optimized LinkedIn profile will let you know about the current updates in the industries which you are willing to work in the future. So अगर आप एक परफेक्ट लिंक्डइन अकाउंट बनाते हैं तो वो आपके लिए बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स में हेल्प करता है. लुक, इफ यू आर इन डायलेमा समवेयर इन योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर इंटरव्यूज और प्लेसमेंट्स, mainly for college students, so you can ask some questions related to your problem on your LinkedIn from your connections also. इससे क्या होगा ना कि जो पर्सन पहले से उस इंडस्ट्री में है वो आपको हेल्प कर पाएंगे because they have already gone through that situation. So it will be beneficial for you if you have a good profile on LinkedIn. So in this video I will tell you how to make your profile much better, and I will show you my profile and will point out some imperfections in my LinkedIn account so that you can get an idea how your account should look like. So let's go to our laptop screen and just see how you can make your profile good. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it also. So let's start. So here we are on our laptop screen. You can use your mobile phone if you don't have a laptop. So let's first open the LinkedIn app so that I can show you how you can make your LinkedIn profile better. So look everyone, this is my LinkedIn account. So these are the posts which are fed to me by LinkedIn. So let's check how my profile looks like. So this is my profile. You can see the profile pic here. यहाँ पर जो प्रोफाइल पिक्चर होना चाहिए, आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि ये अच्छी प्रोफाइल पिक है, लेकिन हमारे हिसाब से ये अभी not 100% good. In profile picture, your face will cover more than 90% of the area. So here you can see that my face is little short. So if you are making your LinkedIn profile, your profile picture should cover more than 90% of your area of the profile picture. So the face should come more closer to the profile. So it should be enhanced. I will change it soon. And the second thing comes here is your background or your banner. You can put your banner as you wish. So you can see that how I can means what I have put it here. Now then comes your name. Here my name is Pankaj Kumar and it is in bold letter as suggested by the LinkedIn. So the first and catching thing what comes here in your profile is your short description, that what you are right now, what you are doing in your field, where you are, and the important activity what you are doing right now. If you are in a job, so you can write, just look at my profile. What I have written here is that I am a student at SATI Vidisha, DSA enthusiast, YouTuber and coder. So if you are a working professional and अगर आप अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में हो कॉलेज के या फिर स्टार्ट ही करने वाले हो कॉलेज, सो आप अपने कॉलेज का नाम लिख सकते हो, आपको किस में इंटरेस्ट है वो लिख सकते हो. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन, जस्ट से इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन ML, सो यू कैन राइट लाइक ML enthusiast, learning ML, learning AI and such like that. So यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो ये बहुत शॉर्ट होना चाहिए और क्वाइट शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्टिव होना चाहिए कि आप अभी क्या हो, क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ पर हो, क्या सीख रहे हो, किस में आपका इंटरेस्ट है. ज्यादा लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए. So as I have written, student at SATI Vidisha, DSA enthusiast, YouTuber and coder. Then here comes about, you can see here, you can put your area या फिर location also. जैसे I have put it here Greater Bengaluru area. So why I have put it Greater Bengaluru area despite I am in Madhya Pradesh Vidisha? Just because to get better connections. As you know, in software industry, most of the professionals reside in either Bengaluru, Hyderabad or in Greater Noida area. So I have put it Greater Bangalore area. You can put your own area also, that doesn't matter. But just because to get better connections, I have put at Greater Bangalore area as my location. Now here comes that if you have any link, means if you are working on a YouTube and you want to show that YouTube channel on your LinkedIn profile, so you can put your link here and just look at what I have put it here. Check out my YouTube channel. So if you click here, you will go to my YouTube channel. That's Pankaj Body, and here is my YouTube channel. You can see. So in this way, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. I am closing this tab, and here you see your college name and what you are doing right now. If you are a blogger, you can just put your link here. I write my blogs on Life and You, my own channel. So this is my experience section. So I will show you this later. So this is analytics section. अगर आप कोई भी पोस्ट करते हो, उसका रीच कितना है, कितना व्यूज आती हैं, सो वो सब सारी एनालिटिक्स सेक्शन में आपको दिखाई देंगी. ये प्राइवेट टू यू रहता है, मीन्स यू कीप दिस प्राइवेट टू यू. अगर आप हमारा प्रोफाइल देख रहे होंगे अभी, तो डेफिनेटली ये आपको शो नहीं करेगा. So this is private to you, so that you can get analysis of what you are doing on LinkedIn right now. So here comes your featured posts. So if you look here, I have featured some of my posts here. मीन्स फीचर्ड पोस्ट मीन्स इसका मतलब क्या होता है, कोई पोस्ट आप करते हो और आप चाहते हो कि कोई भी आपका प्रोफाइल देखे, तो ये पोस्ट उसको पहले दिखे अदर पोस्ट के मुकाबले, जस्ट बिकॉज दिस पोस्ट मे बी हैव ग्रेट रीच फॉर यू, और most probably you have given some important information in some post. You can make that featured so that whenever anyone comes to your profile, he or she definitely see your featured posts. So ये तो हो गया पोस्ट के बारे में. Then this section is called activity section. Here you can see your followers also, and what the activities you have done will appear here. So I was saying that your profile picture should be good. Like you can see the profile picture of Aman Atarwal here. It's looking pretty good. Means some profile pictures में प्रॉब्लम क्या होते हैं ना, जैसे इस प्रोफाइल पिक्चर को देखो आप, यहाँ पर जैसे कि बैकग्राउंड क्लियर नहीं है, बैकग्राउंड आप कुछ भी डाल देते हो तो उससे थोड़ा सा प्रोफाइल पिक्चर पे इम्पैक्ट कम पड़ता है. सो जैसे यहाँ अमन अग्रवाल का देख रहे हो, जैसे ये हमारा देख रहे हो, तो एक बैकग्राउंड क्लियर बैकग्राउंड है, मीन्स यूनिफॉर्म बैकग्राउंड है, जिससे क्या होता है कि आपकी प्रोफाइल जो पिक होती है वो ज्यादा डोमिनेटेड होती है अपने प्रोफाइल पिक्चर पे. सो ऑन मैनी मोर यू कैन सी दैट. और दूसरा चीज ये देखो, आपके प्रोफाइल पिक्चर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे आई एम ओपनिंग दिस वाब्या होडा अपकमिंग एचडी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. सो आई एम ओपनिंग दिस प्रोफाइल. So you can see here, you can't clearly see his face. So this is not good practice on LinkedIn. Your profile picture should clearly show your face, so you can't see him properly. So this is not a good practice. If you want to make your profile picture more optimized, so you should do like that, what I have told you. Then comes here your most important part of LinkedIn, your about section. Here you can give a short description of what you are doing right now, what you have future plans, and many more. It should be in bullets. Just means आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं हमारे bullets में नहीं है, so इसलिए ये distinguishable नहीं है. So you can put some bullets on your points so that it should be more eye catchy. एक short description की तरह होना चाहिए आपका about section, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, so that अगर कोई आपका LinkedIn प्रोफाइल चेक कर रहा है और आपके बारे में वो जानना चाहता है, तो he should definitely read these points and get more knowledge about what you are doing and what you are right now. Then here comes experience section. If you are in a college and in some clubs, so that you can put that in your experience section about that club, what you are doing in that club, how you are organizing activities in that club, and many more. So here I have put my experience as a blogger. And as I also work on YouTube channel, so I have put my experience as YouTube content creator part-time. It's been 1 year. Or then comes here your education section, what you have done in your previous academics and what you are doing right now. So previously, here comes what I have written here. So here I have given my 12th school name. You can give also the 10th school name, but that is not too much important. Just give what you have, from where you have done your 12th board. then in which college you are right now, what branch, in which branch you are, or which degree you are pursuing right now. So this is all about education section. Then comes about skill section. Look, this is very important section of LinkedIn profile, as I am showing you what my skills are. Because whenever any recruiter by chance if see your profile picture, he will definitely see your skill section. What skills do you have? What you are claiming in your description? Does you have any skill about that? So this is very important. So look what I am currently learning data structures. So I have put data structure in my skills, then algorithms, then CP means competitive programming, C++, and many more like that. So you can put your precise skills in the skill section of profile. It is very important. If you want some jobs, it's become very important for you to put your skills, so that some recruiters if come to your profile should select you on the basis of your skills. So this was all about skill section. So then comes test scores. If you have performed well in 12th, well in 10th is not necessary too much. So you can put your marks here. If you have good CGPA in your college, so that you can put here. Then the languages, you know, your native language, then professional language like Hindi, English, and many more. So this was all about my LinkedIn profile by. So यहाँ से आप समझ सकते हैं कि आपका प्रोफाइल कैसा दिखना चाहिए. And now comes about your connections. If I check my network section of my profile, so here you can see that my connections, there are 717 connections. So when I click on this, I get all the connections what I have till now. So these are my connections, and look, these all persons are currently a student from the same background as I have, or the professionals who are working in the industry which I am going to explore in the future. But this become important for you to communicate with those peoples. If you have any doubt related to the industry or your preparation, they will definitely help you. This is the best part of the LinkedIn what I have discovered till now, that people definitely helps you and motivates you to move in the right direction. So these are my connections. You can see this profile picture is good. This profile picture is good. Your background should be clear and uniform. So this was all about how you can make your LinkedIn profile much better than before. So this is done, and if you definitely like this video, then please subscribe and share this channel, and hope you have learned a lot about how to make your LinkedIn profile better. So thanks everyone for your support, and hope you will make your profile good. So तब तक के लिए bye bye.